Here I go, on my way to where the wild things grow. And I know there'll be good times and bad times on the road, where the wild things grow, where a soul can be a soul, yeah. And to be alive means knowing a friend at the shore. So